Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Was It Worth It? Since the last episode did so well, I've decided to come back and do... No, I'm just kidding. This is what's up. Actually, today I'm going to be opening up something from a brand called Superdry. I don't know if you've heard of them. They have stores on the mainland in Australia, so I was able to get this one through a mainland store. So that's pretty cool. So really, I don't know much about the brand at all. This was $50 from the store. I actually tossed it up between a couple other bags because this is a bag. And this is the one that I chose. So I'm going to open it up and let's have a look. I haven't opened this yet. I've never ever had anything from Superdry. So this is first impressions for me and maybe even you. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to start with whatever this is. So it's just like a receipt by the looks of it. Alright, that's not useful. Alright, let's get into the bag then. There's more paper in the bag. Alright, here it is. Very cool. I'm going to open up the bag. A little bit of information about it there. Feast your eyes. Pretty cool stuff, so let's get into the bag. Sorry, these are hard to get into. Alright. Wow, that is nice. Okay. So there's your logo. That's on the back of it. Spin it around. You've got Superdry, big bold letters with the R. Some nice colours on here, even on the little tag. I'm pretty sure this can come off, but it's actually quite cool, so that can stay. We've got the straps up here. They've been closed, so what I'll do is I'll open those. And as you can see, you've got the Superdry name on the strap. So it hasn't been set to my size, so I will do that eventually. But so far, so good. Alright, so it's a new day. I got to actually test this the other day. I went into the city and I took it with me and I used it, and it's pretty good on space actually. It's got some nice space. So I'll start with this zip at the front. There's nothing really insanely special inside. It goes right down to the bottom, so you've got plenty of space to put whatever in there, your wallet or your phone. And the back zip is quite spacious as well. As you can see, got the tag in there, Superdry tag. It's pretty cool. The zips are nice. So this cost me $50 AUD, and I got free shipping because they ship free in Australia. So that was a perk. But I'll start talking about the finer details now. So we'll start with the front. So we start with the big Superdry logo. So I'm not entirely sure what this is. It's kind of like a vinyl, and it's just this bit here. And you've got the embroidered R here, which is really nice. I think that's a nice touch. It pokes out quite a bit compared to the rest of it, which is cool. The zips are just rubber. So on one side it says Originals in orange, and on the other side it says Superdry in white. A little note, this came like this in the package, just like that. You can see there's some shit on the two letters there. I don't know what it is. I think it's a part of maybe the mold or something. I'm not really sure how these are made. It doesn't really matter, because on the other zip at the back you have the perfect one here. I could return it, but I feel like that would just be a big waste of time. I don't think it really matters. And if I really wanted to, you can actually take these zips off, which I think, or just the rubber bits, which I think is really cool touch. So as you can see here, they can just come off just like that. So if I really wanted to, I could swap this one with this one, so it doesn't matter. But up to the other one, it's the same deal here, but this one is actually this one's in really good condition. There's no real issues with this one. It's got the same on the back, it says Originals in orange. So on the back we have a rubber logo. It's actually quite cool. It just says Superdry Outdoor, just like a keychain or whatever. I'm not going to, but you could if you really wanted to. And so it's only connected by the sides here. So you can actually, as you can see, you could connect something to it if you really wanted to. Lastly, we have the straps. Now the straps aren't really anything impressive. They're nice. There's Superdry on it. When you're wearing it, it appears backwards or upside down. it's like with my rip and dip bag, it will appear the other way around, if you know what I'm saying. So it doesn't really matter, still looks good, but yeah, so that's the strap. So yeah, it is supposed to be that way. I looked online, I wasn't sure at first, and I had a look, and it is supposed to sit that way around. And the whole bag itself is made out of polyester. It kind of feels like a canvas, or like that canvas material, if you know what I'm talking about. It feels quite nice. And yeah, that's really everything for the design itself. Lastly, I just want to comment on the zip bit here. As you can see, you've got the orange at the top and the black at the bottom. That's the same for the back one too. It's quite nice. I think that's a nice touch. All in all, it's a really subtle bag. It's not really out there. It'll go really well, I think, with most fits, more black or something like that. But you could really style it however you want. But if you want to find out anything else about this bag or any other bags, link in the description and you can find out some more specifics for yourself. But for now, I will show off the bag, show you what it looks like on body, and that'll be it. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and like and comment and all that good stuff. I don't really have a video schedule, so videos will be out when they're out, and I'll be sure to be buying more stuff to show off for you guys. I'm much more active on my Instagram, so if you want to follow me, here's the @ and it's in the description. So I'll be posting a lot of updates and stuff on videos, so you can see those and you'll know when I'm uploading. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.